Today, we're diving into the delicious history of love on a plate because, let's face it, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. Have you ever wondered how our ancestors used to impress their crushes? Picture this: cavemen drawing hearts on cave walls with berry juice and cooking up something special. Fast forward to today, and we're about to unveil some dishes that have been stealing hearts since the dawn of culinary time. So, subscribe and grab your apron, sharpen those knives, and let's find out 10 dinner dishes that scream, "I love you," through the ages. First up, we've got Love Bites, the appetizer that makes you fall in love at first taste. Legend has it, this dish traces its roots back to ancient Rome, where food was considered a love potion. I mean, who can resist these bite-sized wonders? It's like a flavor explosion in your mouth, a bit like culinary fireworks for your taste buds. Now, let's talk about the main course, the Romeo and Juliet ravioli. Picture delicate parcels of pasta filled with the timeless combination of cheese and love. This dish is inspired by the classic tale of forbidden love, just like the famous Shakespearean duo. It's a true testament that love can conquer even the hardiest of cravings. Before we move on to our next dish, did you know that in the 18th century, people exchanged sweet nothings through food? Love notes were tucked into the folds of dumplings, and secret messages were baked into pies. Talk about a sweet secret. No dinner is complete without a side dish, and we've got the passionate potato puffs to set the mood. These crispy, golden puffs are a culinary time machine, taking us back to the Renaissance era when potatoes were the exotic gems of Europe. Who knew spuds could be so seductive? Now, let's indulge our sweet tooth with the sweetheart soufflé. This dessert is like a love letter in culinary form, light, airy, and oh so sweet. Legend has it that the soufflé was a favorite of French royalty, making it the perfect treat for your own king or queen on Valentine's Day. Quick tip: when making soufflés, remember to fold in the ingredients gently. Treat it like you're whispering sweet nothings to your batter. Love and air. That's the secret to a perfect rise. What's a Valentine's Day dinner without a romantic drink? Introducing the Aphrodisiac Elixir, a historical cocktail that promises to spice up your evening. Back in ancient times, people believed certain ingredients had mystical powers to ignite passion. Well, this elixir is like the love potion of yore, with a modern twist, of course. Now, let's talk about love in layers, a cheese platter that tells the story of love through the ages. From aged classics to fresh delights, this platter is a journey through the evolution of cheesemaking, just like the stages of a relationship. Because, much like love, a good cheese only gets better with time. And there you have it, 10 dinner dishes that are as rich in history as they are in flavor. Remember, the key to a perfect Valentine's Day dinner is a dash of history, a sprinkle of humor, and a whole lot of love. Cheers to love, laughter, and a table full of memories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Until next time, keep savoring the stories on your plate. Happy Valentine's Day!